best right now.
What's up, y'all? This is Anthony with Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Happy Sunday to you. Today is a fantastic day. Alexa, turn downstairs lights on.
Okay.
I got two special ladies with me right now. I got my little Lexi. Got my little Britt. Britt got the notebook, and this is a really cool day to have both of them here at the same time. I had Lex here before. I've had Britt here before, and this is one of the first time. Is it the first time both of y'all been here together, or no? Wasn't both of y'all up here for Memorial Day a couple years ago?
No, we've never been up here together. Yeah, we've been up here for my graduation 4 years ago. Together.
At my house?
Yep.
Oh.
Everybody was there.
So what's cool now is Britt has come up here. She's going to be up here now for a couple weeks. And so she's going to be up here. Lex just picked her up from the airport and brought her down. And what makes this so exciting is I've always had, what's up, Mike? I've always had vision of having like a family owned, operated empire, not just a business making one, stream of revenue, but like a conglomerate, an empire. And I wanted to do that with my family. But, these two in particular, like, I'm not grounded in my family, but everybody, a lot of folks think like I'm kind of loony or crazy or like, on another planet or whatever. But these two chicks, they actually see the vision. They know what we're trying to do. And more importantly, they're willing to help get us to where we need to be. So, Mike, I appreciate you watching, man, because I want to introduce you to Britt's actually staying for a couple of weeks. Lex is going back home. But I know you are a monster at acquisitions and in wholesaling. And I want to introduce Britt to that. And I want to be able to help her start getting loose, man. We're going to do some partnerships as well on some flips and some acquisitions, like I was telling you earlier about Four Squares development. But, it's really, I don't know, it just makes me very happy to be able to like create generational wealth with these. Like I used to actually change both of their diapers, believe it or not, both of them. So Sharif used to change. So you're not gonna let us forget. I'm never gonna let these jokers forget that I used to change their stanky, crappy diapers. Used to get up in the middle of the night, feed these little jokers. You know what I mean? Drive them back and forth here and there, and it's cool. What's up, E? Eric, what's going on, brother? And it's cool. What up, Jay? And it's cool now to have at a point. I look at it as an investment. It was an investment, and now these guys are in position to actually be able to make a return on that investment. And it's exciting. So we're going to sit here now. Let me come over here. I will, Mike. I'll definitely give her your contact info, man. Yeah, you're right, Jay. Ain't going to never let them forget. So I prepared a list of items that I'm going to be utilizing Britt's help for. And, so she's going to do a good job of just coming over here. Obviously we've got some marketing things that we need to do, some financial things we need to clean up. We've got also for the trucking. So we've got kind of broken down between Eden Mandate, the real estate business, and also over here in Fab Group. So Britt is really good and creative when it comes to social media marketing because she's always on Instagram. She's very good at designing, coming up with concepts for logos. She's good with business cards, things of that sort. And so we're just going to expand that. So she's going to help me knock out this punch list for Clover Lane so we can get Clover Lane knocked out. Most of these are being handled by our guys that are working on the property. But there are a couple of things that, I'm responsible for. So Rick's going to come over and help us finish that. And Britt's going to come on and help me finish some of these things as well. So just looking good. And then also just some administrative support. So both of the businesses now are kind of, past the birthing phase. They're kind of in that toddler phase now to where they're, kind of walking a little bit, falling a little bit, stumbling a little bit. They still wake me up at night. What's up, Fahad? Britt's back, man. So I was telling Mike earlier too, I'm gonna need you to come over too, man. Like drop some knowledge on her, man, if you don't mind. help her get into this wholesale operation? Or how can we figure out how we can team up so that we can all get this bag? I mean, there's plenty of money out there for all of us to eat and eat real nice. What's up, Roger? Appreciate you joining, man. Darika, what's going on? Darika, I got a lot of support for you, Britt. Darika is coming over, and she's going to be working with you well. Like, Darika is like literally like a right hand. Like, she knows, what I'm thinking before I even say it a lot of times, and is really, really good at, giving her opinions, setting me straight when I need to. So she's going to come and make you Darika 2.0. So, and Lex, you met her last time.
Yeah.
And Michelle, where you at? She up there. At any rate, man. So yeah, this is exciting to me, man. This is fruition, man. This is like, I don't have any kids of my own, but these are like,
we are his kids.
Oh, touche. Yes, I'm never going to let them forget that. I am Uncle Two Checks, Daddy Uncle, whatever you want to call it. But it's cool now, like to see, like I can't even call them my little girls no more. They ain't little. So I guess they're gonna always be little to me though. But yeah, Darika said, "Welcome back, Britt."
What?
Yeah,
Time to get to that bag.
Yeah, she ready. She ready now. She ready. She wasn't ready before, and I give her a lot of tough love, and so I've had to transition her from looking at me as Uncle Two Checks to looking at me as business partner employer. So that's right. I grind. Darika told me I gotta keep me in line. Word. That's how you want to be. Yeah. So what's everybody up to on this Sunday, man? Like, whoa, man! If y'all did not see the video earlier from Clover Lane, this is the first time I went in there since we stained the floors. It looks amazing. It looks absolutely amazing in there, man. So y'all check that video out. And I have been uploading. Darika said, "Hey, look."
Hi.
Yeah. I've been uploading a lot of videos. I've got probably over a couple hundred hours of like content that I have not uploaded. So I'm uploading that to YouTube. So go to YouTube, go to Anthony R. Moore 2, and check out some of these videos, not only from Clover Lane, but previous properties that we've renovated and leased out. Also kind of show not only what we're doing, but how we do it. So I'm breaking down, the acquisition side of it, finding the money to invest in these deals, and also how to go about dispositioning those deals. So, real estate is all about, the acquisition strategy and exit strategy, right? And figuring out which one of those exit strategies are going to maximize your profit. And so if y'all go and check it out, do me a favor, please. I don't really ask a lot of people for anything, but if you can go to YouTube and, watch a couple of videos, like the videos, subscribe to my channel, because I'm really just trying to build a YouTube following. And again, you guys know that I go through these things not just so I can just gain wealth selfishly, but I want to actually be able to teach other people, how to get this money. It's out here for everybody. It's available. It's in a bountiful, abundant supply. And I'm really trying to reach the masses. But in order to get my videos out there in front of other people, I need to develop a following. And to do that, I need some subscribers. And I need folks to kind of go through and watch the content that has already been posted. So y'all do me a favor, man. Like, if you see some of these videos, like and share them. And I really appreciate that, man. I'm going to keep bringing you guys a lot of good, valuable content that you can utilize, teach your friends, teach your family, teach your kids, and all that good stuff. So at any rate, I just want to do a quick little video just to say Britt is back. Lex is back. This is the first time both of them been at the crib at the same time. I'm super excited, because I don't get to see them very much at all, to be perfectly honest. And so it gets me a little sentimental, to be perfectly honest. But yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Get my little beauties. Yeah, little beauties, my little cuties. Yeah. All right, y'all. Look, you got Lex, you got Britt, you got Anthony, Eden Mandate LLC, restoring lives one home at a time. Happy Sunday. And also, not only YouTube, but we're going to be putting videos out on Instagram also, because I've been not utilizing that. Snapchat, we're going to be on there. We're going to be on TikTok. So yeah, we're about to take over social media. LinkedIn, We're going to be bringing valuable, Twitter as well. We're going to be bringing valuable content to all the social media platforms. Please check us out. Help us grow. We're expanding the business. And eventually we're going to get into actually teaching courses so that you can follow everything I do as far as how I find the properties. How do I go about acquiring the properties? What scripts do I use to talk to the sellers? How do I structure the deal? How do I make the offer? I'm going to show you how I actually go about valuating the property, valuating the deal, and how I go about finding investors to invest in the opportunity. And I'm going to show you how I look at market conditions and determine if I'm going to lease the property, lease to own it, if I'm just going to flip and sell the property, or if I'm just going to hold, man. So I'm going to show you guys all of that stuff. Most of this stuff I give away for free, but there's going to be some advanced techniques that I'm going to put a course together if you're interested, to show you how you can literally go from where I was literally in January of 2019, not knowing what I wanted to do in my life, how you can go from there to actually doing deals, getting deals, cashing checks in literally 6 months or less. So that is coming soon. So anyways, love y'all. Y'all have a great Sunday. This is the whole fam right here with the Eden Mandate LLC. We're going live one home at a time. Good night.